I'll show you how to preserve fresh grapes for a longer period of time. First, I'll wash the grapes and remove the stems. Write me in the comments which country you're watching me from. It's nice to know that we're watching each other all over the world. I'll wash the cleaned grapes one more time. Now I need washed and clean jars. I'm going to fill the jars with grapes. I'm going to fill the other jars in the same way. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to each jar. I'm going to pour cold water into the jars to cover the grapes. I'm going to wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean and new lids. We added sugar to the jars because botulism does not grow in a sweet environment. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour cold water into the pot up to the level of the lid. I put the pot on the stove. I'll put the lid on. From the moment the water boils, I'll pasteurize for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After pasteurization, leave the jars to cool in the water. When the jars cool, the central part of the lid must sink. Store the jars in a dark place. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.